audible.
I hope my screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Pankaj sir, has the live streaming started or
Yes, ma'am, started. We can
great?
start.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Good evening, everyone. It fills my heart with immense pride to welcome you all to CC Friday episode 107, a celebration of the passion, perseverance, and purpose that drive our school forward. Today, we honor the unsung heroes and shining stars whose dedication continues to shape our collective success. Let's take a moment to applaud each other and be inspired by the spirit of excellence that binds us together. Before we move forward, I would like to thank our principal learners, our leaders of the campuses, because without whom we could not work efficiently. So thank you so much, Anupama ma'am, Shilpa ma'am, Jaya ma'am, Munmun ma'am, and also our mentors, Siddharth sir and Gautam sir. Thank you so much. Also, I would like to thank Sanjana ma'am for her support to our designing team and our planning team. Now, I would like to share our my audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Audible.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
would like to put forward this to the Munmun ma'am, the principal learner, DPS Varanasi, and take further today's excellence celebration. Over to you, Munmun ma'am.
Thank you, Ashwini ma'am. A very good evening to everybody. I hope I'm audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Great, thank you. So let's quickly start with the acknowledgement. The first category that we would want to appreciate from Team DPS Varanasi is School Synergy. So I would definitely want to congratulate all the learning leaders, Anjali Singhania ma'am from the Anandam wing, Takuli Mukherjee ma'am from Jigyasa wing, Sunipa Sanyal ma'am from Chetna wing, and Kiran Sharma ma'am from the Samarpan wing for maintaining the synergy, and that's applaudable. Let me also take forward another girl, Miss Manika Singh from the Anandam wing, and let me tell you why she is appearing here, because she was the one who collaborated for the theme books, which has been now an integral part of our primary level. So this girl was there in the collaboration and she did a wonderful job. So I would definitely want to praise her, applaud her, and congratulate her for maintaining that synergy that is definitely required for the four sister schools that we are. Next, I think in the category, Ashwini ma'am, if we can move forward.
Yes, ma'am. A network glitch is there. Just a
No
second.
issues. Same here at Varanasi, so no problems. I think the next one is SDG Visionary. The category is SDG. No. Yes. So the next category is SDG Visionary. I would definitely like to congratulate Sunanda ma'am, who's always there for DPS Varanasi and who has initiated the SDGs in the school, followed by Kajal ma'am, who's a great mentor to the children as well as the teacher teams. Sangeeta ma'am from the Jigyasa wing, she's also been a great support and committed towards ensuring that SDGs are actually understood by each learning champion as well as the learners. And finally, not to forget Anshu Singh from Team Anandam, who's also responsible for taking it forward in the Anandam wing. Congratulations. Great. The next category that we have are the achievements where teachers supported students and brought out excellent results from their teams. To start with, I would definitely want to congratulate the English department of DPS Varanasi for scoring the highest marks in the board results, 24-25. So we have Kiran ma'am, Ratna ma'am, Sushma Nair ma'am and Prateek sir in the team. Their efforts are commendable. The next is Sanskrit department from Team Varanasi, where we have Shweta Suman ma'am, Dr. Shweta Suman ma'am and Kashi sir. They have also ensured that children do very well and definitely come out with flying colors. So congratulations to both of them. I would specially mention Prateek Jaiswal, our ATL in charge. He has been the mentor to several children and we've been able to send our children for the CBSE science exhibition this time. And that was a joint effort of both the children as well as Prateek sir. So congratulations Prateek sir. And finally, I cannot forget the contributions of Atanu Ghosh sir, who's been there for all kinds of competitions that we have in school, right from Samarpan wing to Chetna wing. And definitely sometimes we also have Jigyasa children coming up and asking for help. So congratulations to Atanu sir also. Next slide, please. Yay, this is something that I would proudly want to announce. Maximum attendance. Coming every day to school is definitely the best part that I would acknowledge in a team member. And let me start with the two team members who did not take even a single leave. These two people, Roli Mankhan ma'am and Dhananjay sir from Samarpan wing, they have not taken even a single leave in the session 24-25. So kudos to the team members, Roli ma'am and Dhananjay sir. The next slide definitely talks about some more members. They have taken minimum leaves, less than 5 leaves. So I would request if we can have the slide there. Next. Yay. So I have Dr. Abhilasha ma'am from Jigyasa wing, Shushmita Singh ma'am, Anandam wing, Paulumi Garai from the Anandam wing, Bhumika ma'am from the Anandam wing, Millie Mathur ma'am from the Anandam wing, Ekta Sethi ma'am from again the Anandam wing, Ashim Dasgupta sir from Jigyasa, and again Manisha Usmani from Jigyasa. So friends, you must be noticing that because Anandam wing needs the teachers, all the more they are present every day. So they ensure that they are present in the school every day. The list is endless. We have Nazia Nikhat ma'am from Jigyasa wing, Pooja Singh ma'am from the Samarpan wing, Ruchita Gomes ma'am, Smriti Mishra ma'am, Pragya Shukla ma'am, again from Jigyasa wing, Soma Roy ma'am, Alka Srivastav ma'am and Sonal Singh ma'am from Team Chetna for taking minimum leaves in the session 24-25. And as I said, the list is endless. Again, we have few more names. Naveen Upasani sir from Team Chetna, Suraj Pratap Singh again from Team Chetna, Biren sir, Dheeraj sir, Hemant Paul sir, Shrey sir, Dr. Shweta Suman and Siddharth Srivastava from the Samarpan wing. So a big round of applause to all the team members. Keep not taking leaves. And yes, again, my two learning leaders from the team, Kiran Sharma ma'am from Samarpan wing and Sunipa Sanyal ma'am from Team Chetna. They've also taken very few leaves to ensure that everything goes well in the wing. So congratulations to everybody. Keep up this good effort to come to school every day. Okay, the next category that I will be talking about quickly will be the most caring hands. We all understand what care means to our learners. So definitely we have Bhumika ma'am from team Anandam. She has made the happy calls and the Samvad 100% in her class. So congratulations Bhumika ma'am. Priya Singh ma'am from team Jigyasa. She has also ensured happy calls are made 100% to her class and her other learners from different sections. Sonal Singh ma'am has also initiated Samvad and ensured that she's not left even one single child without the Samvad. So congratulations to the team members here. Yes, how can I forget the people from the infirmary at DPS Varanasi? I definitely salute their care every day in and out. So Shiny Prakash ma'am and Neha Singh ma'am, who are the nurses at Team DPS Varanasi, thank you so much for being so caring. And I cannot forget the contributions of Kirti Vahi ma'am from Team Samarpan. She has been very caring, very considerate with Team Samarpan and the children. Thank you so much and a big congratulations to Kirti Vahi ma'am. The next, a school that definitely requires a lot of crisis commanders. So here we have our crisis commanders. Let me tell you, these people are the assistant learning leaders of different wings. So let me introduce Alka Mishra ma'am from team Anandam. She is a mentor there and she's always been a crisis manager. We have Astha Ghoshal ma'am, also a mentor in team Anandam. Dr. Shweta Suman ma'am, she is the assistant learning leader and the timetable in charge in Samarpan wing. Kalpana Pandey ma'am, assistant learning leader, team Chetna, and Aditi Sengupta, assistant learning leader, team Jigyasa. I am extremely apologetic that I could not get the photograph of Priyanka Roy Chaudhary ma'am from team Ananda. So a big congratulations to her as well. The school has a few more crisis commanders and we have our PRO, Ms. Anindita Mathur, our HR and AO head, Ms. Namita Anand, EA2 principal, Mr. Raman Kumar Keshri, and the housekeeping in charge, Mr. Arun Kumar Chaube. Again, a big round of applause for being the crisis commander at DPS Varanasi. Next slide, please, ma'am. Yay, how can I forget the transport department and the IT department? So we have Mr. Dhirendra from the transport department, Mr. Akhilesh, Mr. Ajit, and Ms. Divya from the IT team here. A big congratulations to all the team members here. They've been really a big support for all of us. Yes, the list definitely should conclude with Mr. Madhusudan Datta, who's the store in charge at DPS Varanasi, Mr. Vijay, the assistant store in charge at DPS Varanasi, Mr. Pramod, the store in charge at DPS Varanasi, and Mr. Kamath, who takes care of the entire estate and the other purchases at DPS Varanasi. So, accounts, okay. Yeah, at DPS Varanasi. Thank you, Mr. Sudeep. Yeah, let's move forward. Yeah, this is something that I could not have the entire list here because the list is endless here. So I would quickly take the names and would like to congratulate the members that we have from Team Chetna and Team Jigyasa. It is celebrating the outstanding achievements and contribution of individual teachers in fostering student learning and overall school development. So from Team Anandam, we have Priyanka Roy Chaudhary ma'am, Miss Ritu Pandey, Miss Alka Mishra, Miss Rani Kumra, Miss Namrata Bhutani, Miss Akanksha Chaurasia, and from Team Jigyasa, we have Miss Priya Singh, Miss Sangeeta Bhattacharya, Miss Kapuli Mukherjee, Miss Aditi Sengupta, Miss Mahima Vij, Miss Ruchita Gomes, Miss Rishu Bhutani. From Team Chetna, we have Miss Savita Khatri as team members who've taken care that their students, they learn and they develop holistically. Can we have the next slide, please? I've taken all names, ma'am, so we can move forward. I took the names of the end. Yes. Let me congratulate Team Chetna for doing the maximum number of TDOs in session 24-25. Congratulations, Team Chetna, for doing the maximum TDO, and you've raised the bar. We will look forward to you competing, the other wings competing with you this year, 25-26, to do the maximum TDOs. Buck up other wings, Anandam, Jigyasa, and Samarpan. Okay, so next category talks about the Sankalp. I understand this is one document that each one of us maintain and try to maintain it as specifically as possible, as we want to have records throughout the year. But it was very difficult to pick up 4 or 5 members, so we tried the best ones. And to start with, we have Miss Archana Datta from Team Anandam, Dr. Neetu Singh from Team Jigyasa, Mr. Ankur Bakchi from Team Chetna, and Miss Mukul Mishra from Team Samarpan. They have their Sankalps flawless. All reflections, all achievements, everything is maintained there. The next category talks about the terrific torchbearers, people who conducted the maximum number of trainings in session 24-25. So once again, we have Roli ma'am, and along with her, we have Smita ma'am. These two learning champions and the academic head, Roli ma'am, and the learning champion Smita ma'am, they took the maximum number of trainings for teachers in the session 24-25, both online as well as offline. Yes, parent engagement, one of the most important, I would say, pillars of a school. So that was done very well by Team Chetna. So big congratulations to Team Chetna for taking the parent engagement sessions really well. So definitely all other wings also did, I would say they were very close. Anandam did it 95%, Jigyasa did it 95.5%, Samarpan did it 96%, but Team Chetna did it 99%. So kudos to Team Chetna. The next category is of the reflective practitioners, teachers who ensure in-depth reflection in their lesson plans. And that is how we've picked up 4 teachers from the different wings. Again, let me start with Team Anandam. We have Akanksha Chaurasia ma'am. Team Jigyasa, we have Kalpana Singh ma'am. Team Chetna, we have Vibha Shukla ma'am. And from Team Samarpan, we have Priyanka Pathak ma'am. Congratulations to the members. Thank you so much for being reflective. The next category, is learning leaders who ensured maximum congenial meets, the synergy builders. So let me again not forget all the learning leaders at Team DPS Varanasi. If we talk about the maximum number of congenials, it is with Team Samarpan, followed by Team Jigyasa, then we have Team Chetna, and then we have Team Anandam. But congratulations to all 4 learning leaders from Team DPS Varanasi for being the synergy builders. Yes, if we have a school, we have the requirement of a well-structured and well-executed transport system. Let me congratulate Mr. Rajiv Singh and his entire team for commute excellence. The team received maximum percentage of parent responses in the positive way, and they praised the transport team for being available for the children, for the students, and being so caring. So congratulations, Mr. Rajiv and the entire transport team. Yeah, the next category talks about the tech wizards. We definitely have people on the stage, but let me congratulate people behind the scenes. And here we have these members from Team DPS Varanasi. To start with, yes, thank you so much, Aarti ma'am. I forgot to mention that Team DPS Varanasi Transport Department was actually acknowledged as the best transport facility at Varanasi by the transport authorities, and they had been acknowledged in that field. So, congratulations once again to the transport in charge along with the entire team. Yes, I was at Tech Wizard. So, we have Mr. Aman Kumar Keshri, Mukul Mishra ma'am, Manisha ma'am from Team Jigyasa, Mukul ma'am is from Team Samarpan, Kajal ma'am again Team Samarpan, Sonali ma'am Team Samarpan, Miss Meera from Team Jigyasa, Smita ma'am from Team Chetna, and Ekta Sethi ma'am from Team Anandam. These people are behind the scene, and therefore people on stage are relaxed and they are able to give their best. Congratulations to all the team members here. Great. I think I've maintained my time limit. I would really want to congratulate the entire team DPS Varanasi, though we were able to just name a few, but it is a big team of around 169 team members. Each one of you are important and each one of you deserve a round of applause. Thank you so much for being an excellent team.
Thank
Over
you
to
so
you.
much.
Over to you, Ashwini ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Munmun ma'am. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. I would, without wasting time and keeping time constraints in
Manun
mind,
ma'am, I'm
let's
just taking
move
a leave.
ahead
Huh?
to DPS Nashik.
Hello.
I would invite Shilpa ma'am to please take over. Shilpa ma'am, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am, you're audible.
Jai Hind, everyone. Congratulations, Munmun ma'am and team Varanasi, for day in, day out, whatever efforts you all are putting in for the students. Yeah, so we begin with DPS Nasik for school synergy. I would begin with Gunjan Sharma and Shweta for collaborating with the outside body, that is the Nasik Municipal Corporation, for projects like Ghanta Gadi, Ganesh Festival, okay, to actually get our LEs into action. I would congratulate Sanila ma'am for coordinating with the Rotary and getting funds for the school. Then I would like to congratulate Anagha ma'am, Archana ma'am, and Ms. Jagruti for coordinating well with the community members for organization of MUN and the G20 events. Because I think we all know that collaborating and coordinating in school is difficult, and this is happening outside school. So I would really like to acknowledge them, because this is the extra effort they all are taking. Next slide, please. Yes, I would like to congratulate Nidhi Thakkar and Pritika ma'am for the Katha festival. The coordinating and making this event happen successfully was a great, humongous task that they carried out. I would like to congratulate Jayashri ma'am. For proactively engaging with all the coaching centers to promote school and getting admissions at school for grade 11th. Next slide, please. SDG Visionaries. We have Sanila ma'am and Sakshi ma'am. So they have already completed the culmination at cohort 8. Different projects that were taken, waste management, prototypes they actually came up with prototypes with Prajakta ma'am. community outreach programs for BVG training. We were the climate action school for the third time. We are grateful to them for connecting to globally for the SDG. Then we have the star competitors, Ms. Gitali Pandey, Atul Gosavi sir, Chaitanya Shinde sir, and Omkar Gaidhani. They have really got laurels to sports. We can see our students have excelled in all the sports. Then we have Sadia ma'am, Rita ma'am, Rekha ma'am, Shivam sir for getting great asset results. And we would like to congratulate Prajakta ma'am for achievement at state level science exhibition Pragyan and being a ATL School of the Month for December. Maximum attendance, yes, it is very important that we expect students show up to schools, and same here is expected of our learning champions. So we did not have anyone who were, with 100% attendance, but all these members are above 95. That was the category chosen. Ajay Kapoor sir, Alok Kumar sir, Dolan Fani ma'am, Suparna ma'am, Rutuja, and Natasha ma'am. Congratulations. Most caring hands. So we know every teacher is a caretaker during the school time, always available to support students. But few of them are like just taken here who have really gone out of the way to support students at home for different events. And also whenever the child was sick, have given an extraordinary helping hand to these students. So among them, we have Sheila ma'am, Radhika ma'am, Vikas sir, Rekha ma'am, Rutuja ma'am, and Shivam sir. Congratulations, and we appreciate your commitment towards your students. Also, we have Pratima ma'am, Beena ma'am, again Vikas sir, Sucheta ma'am, Anand sir, and Manisha ma'am. We have Dolan ma'am, we have Bhavna ma'am, we have Saroj, we have Harshada ma'am, we have Anagha ma'am, we have Jagruti ma'am, and our doctor ma'am, we cannot forget her. I think she is always there to support our children. Crisis commanders. So always ready to work during crisis. We had some incidents where, extra workload was added to their role and they managed it very well in case of teacher absence. So we have Shireen ma'am, we have Medha ma'am, we have Manisha ma'am, we have Komal ma'am, we have Sadia ma'am, and we have Shraddha ma'am. We also have Mrs. Nidhi Thakkar ma'am, Dinesh sir, and Suparna ma'am, who helped during crisis. Achievements, yes. Achievers who actually did an extra mile and made events work out. Also, there are teachers who contributed for the theme booklets. So I would just acknowledge Monali ma'am for Bagless Week and Entrepreneurs Project. For sports participation, we have Gitali ma'am. For up-school participation at World Conference, we have Anuja ma'am. Then we have Nagrani ma'am for involving in writing grade 3 English theme booklet. We have Paramjit Kaur ma'am for the pre-primary theme booklet. We have Mohini Zarekar ma'am for writing the grade 1 theme booklet. We have Seema ma'am, we have Ashwini ma'am, we have Rita ma'am and Mukta ma'am for their contribution towards the Samarpan wing. Yes, without our admission team, I think Miss Sania ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am and Harshada ma'am, I think we are doing wonderful with admission at the admission end. We have already crossed 210 admissions. Am I right? Yes.
Yes,
Anybody?
ma'am.
Yes. Congratulations. Maximum teacher driven observations. We have Nalini ma'am from Anandam, Bhavna ma'am from the Chetna and Paramjit ma'am from the Anandam. I think highest observations from the Anandam wing. So let's congratulate them. Best Sankalp, it was a very difficult task, and I think that was the first year. But in that, I think the best Sankalps, I would like to congratulate Neeru ma'am for her Sankalp from the Jigyasa team, Amreen ma'am for her Sankalp from the Chetna wing, Tejal Patil ma'am for her Sankalp from the Anandam wing, Mrs. Poonam Patil ma'am and Ajay Kapoor sir for their Sankalp from the Samarpan wings. Also, I would like to mention, I think that name is not there, just morning I just checked. I would like to also congratulate Shivam sir for his Sankalp. His photograph is not there, but I would like to acknowledge him. Terrific torch bearers who conducted the maximum training sessions online, offline. Pritika ma'am, Paramjit ma'am, Bharti ma'am, and Jayashri ma'am. Congratulations. I think your passion for education is also now being transferred to your team members. Parent engagement champion, Team Samarpan, I think 90% of responses were received from the parents. Congratulations. Reflective practitioners, we have who are great at their reflections, and they are reviewing their plans. We have Neeru ma'am, we have Tiasha ma'am, we have Shweta ma'am, we have Chitra ma'am, we have Harshal sir, we have Priyanka ma'am, we have Natasha ma'am, we have Gitanjali ma'am, we have Komal ma'am, we have Paramjit ma'am. I think their reflections are helping us grow day in, day out with our school practices. Congratulations. Synergy builders, yes. I think the middle level managers, I know they are the most important people because they have to take their teams ahead. Pritika ma'am, Gunjan ma'am, Swati ma'am, Deepa ma'am for events, and Jayashri ma'am for Samarpan wing. Congratulations. I think you are a wonderful team. Admission rockers. Yes, we got 37 admissions from just one single event. That was the kickstart. All the acknowledgement to Ms. Sania ma'am, Harshada ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am, Geetali ma'am especially, and Pritika ma'am for wonderfully taking this forward and getting admissions. Fieldwork coordination, very important task. We have Shraddha ma'am. These all are people who are, without their support, I think we would be lame. Manojit sir, our admin head. Santosh Thorat, who looks after all the maintenance and all our logistics. Janardhan sir, who looks after our store. and actually helps us with all the resources. Tushar sir, always there for all the affiliation work, coordinating with the guest, and I think a lot more. Congratulations. And we are extremely proud of the work you do for us. Tech wizards, Kamlesh sir, Pankaj sir, very, and Bridget sir, very important actually for any kind of EduNext queries. They are always the helping hands for us. Smart panels, things not working, Chromebooks, they are always there ready to help. Umesh sir for all the media. Actually, whatever the work we are doing, actually publicizing it to the outside world is also important. So thank you, Umesh sir. Symphony of School Spirit. Yes, Umesh sir, you raised your hand. Symphony of School Spirit, yes, who keep us creative. Srushti ma'am, Pratiksha ma'am, Rahul sir, and Vinesh sir, contributing to the art and culture of our school. We have Sahil sir, Swanand sir, Rupak sir, and Urvaraj sir. These all are professionals and actually helping our students develop skills and interest in various fields of art. Accounting, very important. So we congratulate and we are proud to have Deshpande sir, Gaurav sir, and Preetesh. We are grateful for their work they do for the school. Hospitality, the first faces of the school. Nitika ma'am and Ashwini ma'am, thank you for getting all the parent concerns, taking up calls daily with all the visitors and guests, and then communicating it to us.
And we would like to add Tushar sir also in this category. Missed adding him.
Yes. So Tushar sir, already I mentioned about, he is the one who actually keeps getting the guests. Very hostile actually, even when we have the teachers visiting from different schools. I think he is there even at midnight, 3 o'clock, 3 to receive the guest at the guest house.
Thank you so much, Shilpa ma'am, for sharing your thoughts. Congratulations, Team Nashik. Now I would like to request Anupama ma'am to please take over for the EPS Lava Nagpur. Anupama ma'am, are you there?
Yes, good evening, everyone, and congratulations to Team Varanasi and Team Nasik, to all the team members for doing amazing work at both the schools. So we would start with the school synergy, and I would like to congratulate Reshmi and Parijat for doing exceptional work at DPS Lava. Reshmi has been instrumental in the entrepreneurship club, plus getting our product launch. That is a chocolate which was made by the students as young CEOs, and we have been selling the chocolate at various events in Nagpur. Similarly, she is also having a great connect with the parents plus the teachers in the Samarpan wing. Parijat has done wonderful work as a coordinator for grade 3 and grade 4, taking ownership and ensuring that the work is being done, stepping into the shoes when a teacher is not available, and coordinating with all the teachers of grade 3 and grade 4. So amazing work, Parijat. Congratulations to you. Moving to the next slide, SDG visionary, I think everybody knows. Shehnaz has been doing amazing, phenomenal work when it comes to the SDG, the Green School Award. she has received the SDG Legend Award. She is the Global Schools Advocate, and a lot of international collaborations that she does, and the kind of projects that she is doing with the students. So keep doing, keep shining, Shahnaz. Thank you so much. Next one is our star competitor, Aparna Khedkar. And twice in a row, we have received the Top Reading School Award. We have also received the Top Literary School Award from Books. And it's all because of Aparna and her efforts in making the children read and making the children write. So we have 139 or so, maybe more than that, young authors. The books have been published by Bree Books. So congratulations, Aparna, and thank you for all the amazing work that you are doing in the library. These two, Praveen and Srividya, they've only taken 2 days of leave in the entire academic session. So congratulations to Praveen and Srividya. The most caring hands, Nisha from the Jigyasa wing, Shehnaz and Simranjit Kaur from Anandan wing. They have made the maximum number of care calls. Shehnaz has also written the maximum number of remarks, and she has made the maximum calls in Samarpan wing. So congratulations to the three of you. Nikita and Rahul are the crisis commanders. Rahul has been instrumental in taking care of the Samarpan wing very well, and in tandem with Adiba has been ensuring that all the crisis is mitigated within time and things are running smoothly. Nikita is part of the exam department, and she has been instrumental in ensuring that all the exams, all assessments, are everything done properly in the school. The papers reach in time, answer sheets are in time, and any work related to the exams and assessments. Congratulations, Nikita and Rahul. Akanksha has done an AI course, and she is sharing her learning with the students. It's written teachers here, but it's with the students, and students have started using the AI and making some amazing projects. So congratulations, Akanksha, for doing this wonderful work. Akanksha is also our timetable in charge, and she does the substitution work very, very meticulously, ensuring that no class remains without a teacher on any given day in the school. So the maximum teacher-driven observation has been done by the Chetna wing. And congratulations to Manisha and Team Chetna for achieving this feat. Great work, everyone. Moving forward, Penaz, Pratha, and Toshiba, they had maintained the best sankalps, very, very meticulously written. Each section, each segment has been utilized beautifully. Their reflections written so well, and plus they have decorated also. In some time, I will definitely would want to share the pictures of the sankalps that they have maintained. Very beautiful, and each one have written it so articulately. So congratulations, Penaz, Pratha, and Toshiba, for having beautiful, best maintained sankalps. Adiba has taken the maximum number of trainings. Yes, Aarti. Yeah, I have shared those pictures with you. So she was taking the action research training for the teachers. The only teacher who has taken trainings from DPS Lava. Very proud of you, Adiba. Moving forward. Next slide, please. Deepti Trivedi. and she has written the reflections in details in each and every lesson plan that she has transacted in the class. This is going to help us evolve our lesson plans and improve the classroom teaching. So, congratulations, Deepthi, for being a reflective practitioner. These three, Adipa, Sonal, Manisha, are the pillars of the school and the synergy builders. And they are, of course, a huge support to me. And together, they are doing amazing work. All three wings are thriving. So, congratulations to the three of you. Congratulations to Jayant for taking care of the transport so well that the concerns of the parents don't even reach me. He, at his level, sorts all the concerns, and he's the one who has taken the feedback from the parents very, very seriously and has worked on all the feedback that we got from the parents for the transport. So well done, Jayant, and congratulations. Lubna has the highest number of conversions of admissions, and she's the one who is taking the admissions at DPS Lava forward and ensuring that no inquiry is left, and we convert the inquiry into an admission. Congratulations, Lubna, for this great work. So we have Manisha, Samreen, and Pooja Nath. Three of them have connected with the parents very well. They have had amazing relationships with the students in their own class, plus the classes that they've been teaching. And they've also taken care of children with special needs or children who were performing below their potential, and ensure that these children do well in all the assessments. So thank you, Manisha, Samreen, and Pooja, for doing this amazing work at DPS Lava. We have meticulous planner, Niharika, who is been ensuring that the guests who come to school for any event, so the emails are sent in detail, the booking is done well in advance, and the whole itinerary is planned flawlessly. And that's the work that Niharika is doing. Niharika is also taking care of the HR, and she is doing amazing work at DPS Lava. Thank you, Niharika, for that, and congratulations as well. Thank you so much, and congratulations, Team Lava.
Thank you so much, Anupama ma'am. Congratulations, team DPS Lava Nagpur. I would now move to DPS Hinjawadi today. I would request Jaya ma'am to please take over.
Hello,
Yes,
Jai Hind,
over to you,
everybody,
Jaya ma'am.
namaste, and good evening. At the outset, let me congratulate the teams of all our three sister schools for doing fantastic work. I must thank each one of you for being our support system. We have been learning a lot from day one from each one of you. And today, listening to all the achievements, you also are the source of inspiration for me and for my entire team. So, heartfelt thanks to all of you. I also want to appreciate the efforts of PD Cell. Can we all please show our respect and gratitude to the PD Cell for ensuring that our teachers are developing themselves throughout the year. Kudos to Ashwini and
Thank you so
everyone
much.
who is contributing to making the PD session so meaningful. I would also like everyone to know that this being a special year for DPS Hinjawadi, the foundation year, it's very difficult to say who has done more, who has done less, because everyone has been that brick which makes the school stand. So I would like to congratulate and acknowledge the efforts of each and every team member of DPS Hinjawadi. Some names that represent you might be shown here today, but my heart acknowledges the efforts of each one of you. The school synergy, we are starting with this most I would say, the cornerstone of the culture or spirit of a school. So when the school started, everyone was new to the system, and we know our schools stand for new processes, very amazing processes and systems. These three, I call them fondly as Tridevya, and these three goddesses have actually taken charge like goddesses and have been so brave and ensured that we do not appear like a new school. We just make this building look new, and the energy that is seen in the youth, however, you would simply marvel at the expertise and the dexterity they all bring to our system. So these are my learning leaders, Prajakta, Ishita, and Suranjana. They have shown exceptional collaborative efforts in designing and executing the interdisciplinary initiatives, seamless coordination with their teams and amongst each other, the support that they provide to each other and also to the rest of the school, and their commitment to enriching the learning experiences across the school. So congratulations to all three of you. And this team is going to be one member stronger as we have got one more learning leader for next year. Congratulations and very proud of you. The SDG visionaries, as you see here, Ms. Shruti Mukherjee is an English teacher. She also leads our drama club. She has been taking PBL classes, which base their discussions on SDGs. Mr. Manish Hegde, who is our admin head, though he has been in the school for hardly 4 months, but we all can see how he has shaped the way our students working on SDG projects understand what actually it means to impact the world in a positive way. And I want to congratulate both of them for being those visionaries who are creating children to change the world in the positive way. Thank you so much and congratulations. These are some of our learning champions and facilitators who have shown maximum attendance throughout the year. I applaud your dedication to school, Ms. Shweta, Ms. Sonam, and Ms. Runda. Your productive contributions in the class and in the school are acknowledged, and it reflects in your attendance as well. Thank you for being so regular to the school. So I would say each and every teacher, it was very difficult to identify who was the most caring, and hence we had to depend on the number of calls which have been made as happy calls. And on that basis, we have identified Ms. Nisha and Ms. Runda to be the most caring hands who are always concerned about students' well-being and take pride in communicating about students' achievements and positive observations to their parents. Thank you so much for being fantastic caregivers to the young minds. We have these two young women from our Anandam wings. We can call them as crisis commanders. They both have taken up tasks assigned to them very mindfully, and Chaitali and Shreyasi, and they are always willing to take up any challenge with a smile. I have seen them over these past 9 months, 10 months, moving from a little hesitant to very, very confident teachers, trying out new ideas and dealing with their children in a very impressive manner. Very proud of you and congratulations. I've seen them handling difficulties with poise and with confidence. So we had a special category of commute excellence, but I have thought of putting the name of our transport manager as crisis commander, because as a new school, the area which needed our maximum attention and still had concerns was transportation. So I would say that was a crisis where somehow, despite putting all our efforts, parents seemed to have some or the other issue with transportation. And comes in Mr. Raghavendra Bhosle. Since the time he joined us, that was mid-year, we saw tremendous improvement in the way the transport facilities have proved themselves and the trust and faith parents now place in our entire transport machinery, and especially in Mr. Raghavendra. Very proud of you, Raghavendra. Keep it up and congratulations. So when it comes to achievements of teachers, I see every single day learning a new process, trying to grapple with so many expectations of a new school. Each teacher has achieved a lot. However, I'm based on our observations, I mean, learning leaders and myself, we feel that these three are leading the way by always going an extra mile, always cheerfully creating opportunities to contribute to school. And that is the greatest achievement of a teacher, to be able to come out of that comfort zone and be positive, to contribute to the entire school team in innumerable ways. So thank you very much for going beyond the definition of your roles. Thank you, Eliza, Pooja, and Archana ji. Congratulations and thank you very much. So here, as we have a limited number of classes and teachers this year, so instead of going by the wing, we identified teachers who have shown tremendous initiative in going for maximum teacher-driven observations. And here you have once again Ms. Runda, then we have Ms. Pallavi Raju and Shruti Mukherjee again here. They've consistently implemented some Murja initiatives in addition to TDOs. These are the additional initiatives by them. They've driven impactful teacher-led observations, and they are extremely reflective in their practices and have contributed to continuous improvement across the wings. Thank you so much and congratulations. Keep working this way and inspiring the rest of the team. Yes, I really admire the way most of our teachers maintain Sankalps, and here again we have some of the beacons of hope and inspiration for others who, like Anupma ji was mentioning, that the Sankalps are so beautifully maintained, well articulated and artistically maintained, that applies to the three of these as well. In addition to it, the kind of reflections they write, the planning they have for themselves is very inspiring and it's incredible. They are setting high bars for themselves, and that itself is a big achievement for a teacher. You're setting high bars for yourselves and also for your students. So thank you. Your Sankalps reflect your commitment to the students' growth, value-based education, and personal excellence. I'm very proud of you. Congratulations to Ms. Runda, Nisha, and Supriya Gale. Here comes our school counselor and also special educator, who has been the terrific torchbearer for our team. She has led several workshops for the team members as well as for parents. She is the one who has been able to convince the parents who are always in denial regarding children's special needs, and kudos to her, because it's, I think, the biggest responsibility of the counselor to ensure that parents understand what the school feels about the child and his needs, her needs. Good job, Prashansa, for training our transport team, the housekeeping team, the teaching team, admin team, parents, and everybody. Very proud of you. This young girl, as I like to call her, she's a chota packet, bada dhamaka. So keep it up and congratulations. God bless. She also takes care of our events in addition to conducting so many such workshops and students' programs. In the parent engagement area, we identified that the wing, the pre-primary section, led by Ms. Prajakta, received maximum responses from the parents in our feedback forms, like Trinetra feedback cycle. And this shows the level of connect and trust they have built with the parents in their section. So congratulations, our pre-primary department, Prajakta and the team, keep it up. Now, these are those practitioners who have always taken their feedback very positively, and where we have seen tremendous growth in their practices, the teaching practices in terms of pedagogy, following the lesson plans, sticking to the rubrics in assessments that we conducted, and therefore we see a tremendous improvement in the quality of teaching and learning happening in their classrooms. Congratulations, Rupali ji, Diksha, and Deepa. Keep it up. Very proud of you. Keep reflecting on your practices and keep upgrading, upskilling yourselves. The Frontline Excellence Award. I regularly meet parents, and almost on a daily basis, there are parents coming for Star of the Week or some or the other event. And one thing they don't fail to mention to me is that your receptionist, your front desk executive, creates such a positive environment here that we love to come to school. So, Ashwini, we are all thankful to you and we are grateful to you. You are spreading the culture of love and brotherhood, and you are the face of the motto of our school, that is service before self. We have seen you keeping the needs of everyone else above yours. Very proud of you. She is one of the team members who had joined the school much before the school started. So here I would also like to take an opportunity to acknowledge the efforts of those 6, 7, 8 members of our school who had joined almost a year before the school started and the foundation of the school building was kept. So each one of you, thank you so much. Vaibhavi, Ashwini, Devna, Gyaneshwar Bhaiya, Pallavi, everybody. And most of all, I would like to mention that Shravanti had been the pillar who gave her heart and soul in ensuring that the school starts with a bang. And even before the building could be seen, there were parents who had trust in the school's name and the way our team was convincing them for the quality. So though Shravanti is not with us in the team, however, I do not want to fail in my responsibility in conveying my gratitude to her. So thanks to this team, fantastically being managed by all of you, all the tasks. Thank you, Ashwini. Congratulations. However, Saurabh belongs to the central team. We still take pride in seeing Saurabh working in our school and seeing him providing excellent value to all our creatives. Thank you, Saurabh. We acknowledge you as a visionary design excellence person for outstanding creativity, innovation, and dedication to enhancing schools' visual identity and aesthetics. We are very thankful to you and congratulations. So Vaibhavi has been a part of the school's admission cycle since the foundation year. This is her second year. Vaibhavi has built a fantastic bond with the parents, the bond of trust and faith. Her smile gives confidence to the parents. And thank you, Vaibhavi. Because of you and the admission team, along with Deepshikha and others, I'm very proud to announce here that we have crossed 300 plus admissions for the next year. So the credit goes to our efficient team here. Congratulations, Vaibhavi, for ensuring smooth and efficient enrollment process for our prospective students and parents. Thank you. So here we couldn't arrange for the photographs in time, and however, though the photographs are not there, but our wishes and our appreciation remains the same. We identify these teachers as the most innovative practitioners whom we have observed coming up with brilliant out-of-the-box ideas and showing that courage to implement them, experiment with their ideas. So this appreciation goes to Sanika, Nivedita, and Pragya. Very proud of you. Stay innovative. We identify these two team members as the most gregarious team members, always enthusiastic. Ms. Pallavi Patil, Ms. Bhavna, you have been handling big responsibilities with calm and poise. That's fantastic. Keep up that enthusiasm and energy without getting perturbed by huge responsibilities. We also identify these two members as the most active teacher partners. They are the facilitators who are providing excellent support to the mother teachers, Ms. Ankita and Ms. Swati. Very proud of you. You are making a tremendous impact on the quality of education the children in your class are receiving. the teachers with highest potential. So we see these teachers transforming their teaching strategies and bringing discernible, visible changes in the way their class functions and behaves. So Ms. Krutika Mathur and Ms. Shweta Joshi, we see you as having highest potential, and may you explore all your potential. Congratulations. Most dedicated teacher partners. These are again our facilitators who are making the mother teacher's job more and more effective and ensuring that their children are very well taken care of in the classes. Ms. Shweta Ocha and Ms. Sonia Thakre. Congratulations and thank you so much for all that you do. We would also like to acknowledge Ms. Shikha Pandey, who is our data champion. I think here Ashwini is going to take it forward. However, we all are thankful to the entire central team, to our mentors, our director sir, our pro vice chairman sir. I also, I would just like to wrap up here by saying that our team of music, sports, dance, arts people have given that spirit and soul to the school by ensuring that so many events have been planned and executed in the school with the support of the admin and the teaching team. So thanks to each one of you. Thank you very much. I feel proud to be a part of this team. Thank you. Thank you, Ashwini.
Thank you, Jaya ma'am. Congratulations, team Hinsawadi. Aarti ma'am, are you there?
2 more minutes I'll take. Yes. Congratulations, DPS Varanasi team, DPS Nashik team, DPS Lavanakpur team, and DPS Hinjawadi team. It was very, very special for DPS Hinjawadi team because it was the first year for all of us with Hinjawadi team. So it's so beautiful to see the journey that has been taken up in the past 1 year. And it's amazing to see that so many people are here as a family together, celebrating each other, complimenting each other. And before the session ends, I thought we can't miss out celebrating Shikha's contribution in making all of us data-driven. She has actually, in 1 year, it's been just 1 year that she has joined. And in a year, we can see that all of us are talking data-driven. All of us have become the people who talk about data, who take decisions based on data. Today also, I was very, very happy to see the way data was mentioned, that these many calls, these many care calls, remarks. So all those things tell us that now all of us have come to one page where we are using data effectively. That's so amazing. Thank you, Shikha, for that. Can we move to next page? Okay, can't miss the element of freshness or thoughtfulness that Aarti adds in the team. Whenever it's a leadership retreat, it's a meeting, it's a day-to-day work, she brings up special ideas, and that makes us think, act, and come up with better thoughts for our work. And that some Urja ideas, let it be an icebreaker. So she has amazing ideas. So can't miss out celebrating her contribution in making every meeting so effective. And the last one in the series is Abhimanyu. He's the silent one, but he's a very, very strong pillar. He's the one whom we reach out at the final stage. Okay, this is not getting done, Abhimanyu, please do it. This is not happening, Abhimanyu, please see how can you help us. So he's the one who pitches in at that moment and makes it happen, whether it's a small thing of getting a document, or it's a matter of getting a ticket book. Right. So at all the spaces, it's Abhimanyu whom we reach out. And although the time is less, but there are many, many members in all the campuses who have been doing amazing work and have been readily available always to support each other, to other campus members also. So it's a big round of applause for all those team members also who, being in one campus, are also contributing and trying to support the other team members across the campuses. So, and that gives us the feeling of being one big family. And again, today's numbers in the meeting also conveyed the same. So thank you so much for being here. And this is something because of the time constraint, I would say we cannot take everybody's name, but each member of DPS family is appreciated. Each member of DPS family is equally important and valuable for all of us. And can't miss before we end. Thank you so much, Munmun ma'am, Jaya ma'am, Principal ma'am, Anubhav ma'am, Shilpa ma'am, for guiding the team. We don't have here Siddharth sir and Gautam sir, but they have been the mentors for all of us, guiding us always with the right vision. Thank you so much to the entire team. Thank you, everyone.
Aarti ma'am, before we end, thank you so much for being for everyone, where and every time whenever we call you. So thank you so much for that. I think that your name also should must have been there on the screen, but you have missed yourself. So thank you so much.
Rightly said, Shikha ma'am. Thank you so much, Aarti ma'am, for being here for us every time whenever we call you. The teachers, thank you so much for joining in. I'm sharing a feedback form in the link. Please do fill it. Share your thoughts with us so that it will help us improve in a better way. Thank you so much, Jaya ma'am, Anupama ma'am, Kundan ma'am, Shilpa ma'am, and the entire team of DPS, Varanasi, Nashik, Nagpur, and Hinjawadi for joining in and making us feel proud of you.
Thank you
Proud
so
to be a
much
member of
to the entire PD cell, Ashwini ma'am. And before we end, introducing one more member in PD cell, that is Swarali Pathak. She has recently joined our PD cell, and we are looking forward to improving and working great work with the PD cell, arranging the best of the trainings for the entire team.
Thank you so much, Swarali. She helped me a lot, ma'am, for today's session. Grateful to you, Bharat Swarali, and welcome to PD cell. I hope the form is linked to pasted. Is it visible?